Welcome to Cognitio. Now we'll start learning the Python, and for that the first topic there is data types in Python. So what exactly the data type is? So for answering this question, I just want to give you an example of learning any normal language. So in any language, you know that the main building block of that is the letter, and using the letter we create a word, and then after using the words and the grammar we create a sentence. And in a similar fashion over here in Python, that data types are its letter, and after using the data type and variable we'll create a word and sentence and different statements, and will solve the problems. Okay, so what exactly data type is? The data type is a kind of a bucket where we store different objects over there based on its category, like integer data type, string data type. And in Python there are lots of list, dictionary, Boolean, and etc. We'll discuss it one by one. The first data type is number. So number has also two different sub data type. First is integer, which can store a whole numbers, and float is with the decimal values. So as you know that the integer would be like 1, 2, 3, like that. So if it's 2, I'm using Jupyter notebook, so I'll be doing shift and enter for running the cell. So I'm shift enter. You will see the output is 2. If I'll put 3, it's 3, and so on. For now I'll delete this data type and go on. We'll write it later. And you can do arithmetic operation on the number as well, as we all know. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Output is 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, like that. You can also do multiplication. For multiplication we'll use the star. 1 is 2 into 3 is 3. 4 is 2, 3, 12, like that. The subtraction is like 1 minus 5, so minus 1. And division would be like 1 by 2 is 2.0. So division always gives you a float number. If you will see it, this is a float number over here. So next is float. So what exactly float is? Float is the data type of a number where we can store a decimal values like 1.34, 3.14. And after in a similar fashion we can multiply, divide, subtract, and add as well, like 3.14 plus 6.57. So answer is 9.71. And again we can divide it using like this. For this division gives you a result over there. If you want to know the remainder for integers, like 4 divided by 3 gives you a result 1.333. If you want the only remainder, in that case we'll use the percent sign, ampersand sign, and it's 1. 1 is the remainder. 5 ampersand 3 will give you a result of 2, like that. Okay, so this is the number and float. So all the operation and all the arithmetic operation would be done on a same order as we are dealing with. We deal in the mathematics using the board mass. Okay, so it's bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In this order itself will be operation will be done. So if I want like 4 minus 5 into 5 and want to divide again by 2, so the result would be this. Okay, so this was the data type number, and we'll again the next data type would be the string. We'll cover it later.